up, UBs? It is your girl Yushawn coming at you with a Boxy Charm unboxing. I already opened it. I could not wait because it seems like it's been forever since I've been on here. So I did want to show you guys my Boxy Charm, and it is by far the best subscription ever. So this is what it comes like in a box like this, not too big enough to fit in my mailbox. And opening it up, it has a really cute little card that tells you about every product that's in here. I have my Tarte glitter lip paint that's currently in my purse. The Bodyography lip liner. It's in the color Heatherberry. I don't know if you can see it. There it goes. What else? The Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder. Called Matte About It. You know, you guys know I'm all about the matte, and it looks like this. Really cute. It actually matches the card. Translucent setting powder. The Cosmedix Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. I actually tried this one as well. I liked it very, very much. Made my skin feel really good. And they give you a nice size too. Can you see? It's like a glare. Anywho, I'll definitely include it in the description box. And this little sucker was playing peekaboo. Look, they had it wrapped up like that. You guys know I'm all about the eyeshadow palette. Let's see what's in here. And what makes it so bad, they sent me 2 for this month. My first time subscribing to them, and they sent me 2. I'm super excited about that. I will definitely show you guys what's in my other box. Protege by Suva Beauty, the Protege palette. So it actually have warm and cool tones. Very, very, very cute. Very warm too. So I need to try this palette out before winter is over, and it'll be time to bring out the vibrant colors, right? So we definitely need to try this palette out before it's out of season. Very cute little mirror on there. So if you haven't subscribed to Boxy Charm, make sure you do. Inside their box, they actually have Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat. So you can go join them there as well. So that was that unboxing. But I want to show you what's in the other one. Or maybe I didn't have enough products in this box, so the box was too small, so they decided to send me some more. I don't know. And I actually need to go and get the lip gloss that came in this box. So, 1 second. Sorry about that. Tore my purse up looking for this. So, this is the really cute, shimmering lip paint by Tarte. That came in the Boxy Charm box that I absolutely love. It goes with me in my purse. It's really shimmery and cute. It's definitely not what it looks like. It comes on actually cuter than it looks. Well, Most people probably don't like glitter, so it looks like it's really glittery, and it's not. So opening this one comes with a little card of the detailed information about each product that's in here, which I really like. So we have Brio Geo, Don't Despair Repair, Strength, Moisture Leave-In Mask, 20 ounce. Probably would be giving that away to my daughter because I really don't put nothing in my locks. And this is what it looks like. And it's a 2 ounce. Nice size. We have the Tarte Rainforrest of the Sea Sizzle Eyeshadow Palette. Super cute. Let's open this and see. Oh, child, look at that. Really cute. I like that. Neutral colors as well. Such a sucker for those. Can't wait to play in these. What else I have? The Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara come in a lip gloss looking container. How cute is that? 32 ounce. Nice size. We have the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask 2-pack. So it's 2 of those. All products will definitely be in the description. And we have the Bite Amuse Bouche. It's a lipstick. Wow. I have the Bite lip scrub. I actually thought this was what that was, but it's not. It's a lipstick. Ooh. Let's take a look at it. You know what? I think I have this that I actually bought. No, I don't. Oh, really pretty pink. Reminds me of my MAC. What color is that in MAC? It's very similar to it. But it came in a really cute container. I cannot wait to try that one on. So I'm thinking I can put this lipstick on with the color palette, the Tarte color palette, and that'll be really cute. Since that's neutral, I could do a popping lip. Dare me. So that's all in this box. So I'm guessing, hopefully it comes like this every month. If it doesn't fit in their box, they're going to send additional. Oh my goodness. So that beats going to the store and spending all that money on all that makeup that you're probably not going to wear but once. I have so much makeup. It makes absolutely no sense. This room that I'm in is actually my makeup room, which helped me become a makeup hoarder. So guess what? You forgot to subscribe. Go subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends, tell your mothers, tell your sisters, tell your aunties, tell your grannies, because I'm a granny. Yeah, I'm an old one. I'm not a youngin'. So I actually don't know if I look old or young. So with that being said, make sure you go tell everybody to like my page and subscribe, and make sure you guys subscribe to Boxy Charm. It is by far one of the best monthly subscriptions I believe I've ever had. So it's going to keep me out of the stores from buying all those products, spending way over $20 for one item when I'm getting boxes of stuff that holds a value of, like the first one, the glitter lip paint, that's $20 by itself. The Bodyography lip liner, that's $12. The Pretty Vulgar powder room translucent powder, that's 32 bucks. Cosmetic deactivated charcoal mask, that's $30. The Suva Beauty Protege palette, that's $34. Way over what you would normally, probably what I would spend on a couple of items when I go in the store. But I got a box of items that's actually nice size. I'm thinking it's considered their full size. So you really get some good stuff in these boxes. So make sure you guys go subscribe to Boxy Charm, and also go subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Yushawn Bae, and also Instagram, Yushawn Bae as well, Twitter, Yushawn. So go subscribe to all of my stuff and keep up with me, and I'll actually follow you guys back. So thanks for sharing this little space and time with me tonight. I think it's actually 12 o'clock, so I'm kind of sleepy. So I wanted to make sure I did a video for you guys, because I haven't did a video for this week. Not sure if I did one last week. I did, but I wasn't through editing and all of that, and I lost some of my footage. Yeah, so that's actually what happened. So I'm trying to make sure I'm up to date and keeping up with everything, and making sure that I at least upload a few videos for the week. So good night. You guys have a great day, and I will be back hopefully tomorrow or next week, because I'm going out of town. I'm going to Colorado to do some skiing. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey, wait, don't go nowhere. I almost forgot. Do not forget, you guys, if you're interested in becoming a home-based travel agent, which I do part-time and I absolutely love, and the amazing benefits that I get from being a home-based travel agent is more than I could ever ask for in my adult life. You know, we're actually living the life that our moms, dads used to dream of, and also our grandparents. They have to actually retire before they're able to do what I do. Just last year, I was looking at all the trips that I took. I believe I took over 12 vacations. Yes, 12 is 12 months in the year, and I actually took 12 vacations. And guess what? Some of them involved my kids. I have a total of 5 kids. Yes, blink, blink. So, that's, and I'm taking care of them almost solely by myself. Because, you know, when you get a divorce or whatever, the other parent tend to do, it's like out of sight, out of mind. But don't get me wrong, I won't take anything from him, because they call my ex-husband for absolutely anything. He makes sure he does it. So when the kids live with you, you know, you're out of a whole lot and way much more than the parent that they don't live with, if that makes sense. So that's what I'm talking about. So with that being said, guess who fund all of those vacations? That will be me. Yes, and my kids, it's by far the best present, you know, I could ever give my kids. The gift of travel, where we're actually able to create memories. I'm actually on my way to directorship. That's my goal. Well, I'll get my residual income every month, because I'll be a director, and also it'll set me up to leave my kids a legacy. So in the event that anything is to happen to me, it's not like your typical job, which is my full-time job. My kids to get, you know, their settlement or their insurance money, and after that, you know, they won't ever in life hear from my company again unless they work for them. But with my travel agent business, once I become a director, which I'm on the road to do so, my kids will be left a legacy. So again, in the event that anything happens to me, everything that I've worked hard for will be passed down to my kids. So the doorbell is ringing, and I wanted to share that information with you guys really quick. So if you're interested, email me at travelwithyushawn@gmail.com, and I'll be more than happy to call you, chat with you, and talk to you and give you more information about my oh so wonderful home-based travel business. Okay, this time, good night. Bye.